Hello everyone, Harry Urban here, publisher of Woodworking Network. And I'm joined today by Kelly Victor-Burke with Burke Architectural Millwork. Hello Kelly.
Hi Harry.
Thanks for joining us today. And today we're going to talk about EBC, the Executive Briefing Conference coming up in Colorado Springs at the Broadmoor, September 8th and 10th. And we're really excited to have Kelly as one of our featured presenters for a case study about what Kelly's doing for woodworking apprenticeships in the woodworking industry. So Kelly, in a nutshell, tell us what you're doing over there at Burke Architectural Millwork. I know it's really trend-setting and it's first out of the box, so we're excited to have you.
Well, we are so excited to be at the EBC. So our company was one that worked for the past 3 years on the creation and to gain approval of the first Department of Labor's registered apprenticeship called Woodwork Manufacturing Specialist. So it's new and innovative, and most importantly, it's for any and all companies that are looking to, one, recruit, and number two, to upskill their current employees.
So just to be clear now, it's not just in Michigan where you're located. What you're doing can be applied to woodworking companies anywhere in the country.
Exactly. And it's for any size woodworking and wood industry company. And I'm happy to assist and to help with companies to develop the program for their own companies as well.
So tell me a little bit more about how you got started in it and what our attendees for EBC can expect to hear from you.
So I actually retired from 30 years teaching at a university. So when we started our company, I was really passionate about education and workforce development issues because frankly, I think that our society doesn't value enough of the skill and the talent that goes on in our industry, as well as we have an issue of not being able to attract people into the workforce. So I had the idea of actually taking what it was currently, before the new apprenticeship existed, separate apprenticeships and combine them all into one. And it is a combination of CNC and CAD and cabinet building, coatings, and also estimating and project management. So I think it's everything that a person would be interested in to make this a lifelong career.
Oh, that's great. Obviously, we're at the AWFS show, and it's July, and you can hear the intercom here. But let's talk a little bit more about how someone would get started in the apprenticeship program.
So if you are a company that's interested in finding out more about the apprenticeship, they can always contact me, and I am happy to set up and to connect them with the state apprenticeship person in their state, but more importantly, to give them some advice about how they can do it where it's not going to take them forever to do it. And then from that point, it should be really, I can give them ideas about how do you go out and promote that you're a company that offers this apprenticeship.
Well, that's great. And if you want to find out more about what Kelly's doing there in Livonia, Michigan, you're going to have to come to the Executive Briefing Conference September 8th to the 10th at the Broadmoor in Colorado Springs. We've got a whole host of important topics that we're covering from workforce development to addressing the supply chain issues that are in our industry. And we've got tours of woodworking facilities and the mill training center, and of course all the optional tours that are around Colorado Springs and the beautiful amenities of the Broadmoor. So we hope to see you there. And Kelly, thanks again for participating with us, and we can't wait to hear your presentation in Colorado Springs.
You're so welcome, and we can't wait to be there with you.
Sounds good, Kelly.
Okay, see you there.